Welcome, everyone. Let's explore the org chart, its accessibility, usage, and the benefits it offers. To access the org chart, simply click on the navigation handle on the left side and scroll down to locate the organizational chart. If your organizational chart is already populated with roles and a reporting structure, you will find all your team members neatly arranged in an organizational tree, similar to this. If you have not yet organized your team members into a reporting structure on the TFY platform, there is no need to worry as this process is straightforward. Initially, it is important to understand the options available. The primary option allows filtering individuals based on key details such as name, job title, reporting hierarchy, skill sets, and tags. We will bypass this option for now. You can download the organizational chart in various formats, including CSV, PDF, and Excel. Additionally, you have the flexibility to modify the organizational chart at any time, which we will demonstrate later. The benefits of utilizing this organizational chart are numerous. Primarily, it aids in clarifying reporting structures, especially for large teams dispersed across various locations. This chart simplifies the process of identifying key personnel responsible for approvals and project dependencies. Employees can promptly contact the designated line or reporting manager. This interactive chart facilitates identifying an individual's direct manager, their position, and associated contact details. It provides a comprehensive overview of the person's email, LinkedIn profile, and other contact information included in their profile. To modify the organizational chart or adjust the reporting structure, select the team members. Here, you can assign new roles and update their reporting relationships. For instance, if Maria is to be promoted from front-end developer to product manager and will now report directly to Brian James, these changes can be made with just a few clicks. To make adjustments, simply select Edit, and any modifications will automatically update the organizational chart. You will notice that Maria is now positioned as a product manager under Brian James. To establish new positions, click on Job Roles and select a role. This allows us to add any desired position. To introduce a new role titled SDR, simply enter the name and select Add. This role will then be accessible for assignment to team members via the drop-down menu. Once applied, it will be updated in the organizational chart. I hope this has been useful. Thank you.